Started when we were young, you were mine, my boo.
And send me the. Look here, little girl, go on your bed, carry down.
Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if he won't be here next year.
I hope I'm getting the lyrics correct. I don't know. Started when we were young, you were mine, my boo. Yeah. Do-dum, 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 do-dum. So guys, we're here and we're back with another video, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. You know, it's Candice here again. Yes, Vlogmas day 9. Day 9. Yeah guys, I mean it has been rough, but we're here. So guys, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more fun, entertaining, and educating content. Alright, so what you know, oh my god, when I look for the people in Voicenote, you see me? So people, I tell people to sing for me. Alright, so this video is going to be like a little TikTok trend. I tell them to sing for me. Furthermore guys, I'm not on an iPhone, so you know I can't screen record, whatever. But me I got screen some of the things them I got screen record. Yeah. There's a TikTok trend when they say send a voice now, say send me the. And you know old people or people that's not tech savvy or are not on social media a lot, them not I must say send more, you know what, I get upset or whatever. I tried that for a couple people and it worked. Yes, also I got this idea from Chanté Bailey. Check out her YouTube channel. I'll put the link right here. Make sure to click it and then you can come back over here to come finish watch the video here. So there's this little singing thing where you just have to contact to sing. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So I'm asking some of them already. Some of them send me a good while now, so I'm going to search for their messages. So alright, so the first person what I have is Ashana. So I'm gonna play it off on my laptop because that's just easier for me. Alright, so I'm gonna never listen to the voice note. You were my baby. Started when we were younger. You were mine, my boo. Okay. That actually wasn't bad. That actually wasn't bad, but it started off me and say I wish I things say guys, me really don't know the lyrics to this that much, but yeah. So now we have Chanté Bailey, as I tell you, remember so go check out the girl channel, you see me? So started when we were younger, you were mine, my boo. Alright guys, that's not bad either. That's a 6. That's a 6. I'm giving her a 6. Alright guys, so I'm send people. I don't know when I'm gonna send, but I still like have it up on my status just to see if nobody ever send, but I'm gonna look for the people that will send. Alright, so now we have a duo by Stacy. Go follow her on YouTube. It's Drip with Stacy, guys. May I put all of them information on the video. It started when we were younger, you were mine, my boo.
Oh my god! What is that?
Who was that? The person there who come in, them spoil it. They spoil it. I'm not gonna lie. You spoil it. Alright now, so now we have Samara. Samara artist, you know. Samara artist.
It started when we were younger, you were mine, boo.
That's actually good. That's a 8.5. That's actually good. Alright, so we have a next thing, and guys, a bass thing I'm having on my phone, you know. Alright, ready?
Another thing, though. Alright.
It started when we were younger, you were mine, my boo.
Alright, that's 10 right there. That's 10 right there, guys. Tell me I just them too hard, but that sounds really good. I mean, not better than me, but it's good. Yeah.
It started when we were younger, you were mine, my boo.
It's the woo part for me. And next 10. Alright, so now one person come out and more than one person come out for this. Guys, this is just, you know, fun and entertaining and just a little laughter. Yes guys, so I'm going to do a voiceover part mainly because the other TikTok trend, my screen record them, so I'm gonna put them up somewhere in the video, or I may just do vice versa. But yeah.
Javan, my youth member say if you send me the.
Hello. Hi, what's up, Candice? I'm almost sending you again, remind me.
Javon, you're not hearing me, my youth. Me I tell you say if you send me the something, me I tell you.
Yeah, what's something? What's something you're talking about?
You're not hearing the voice note properly. Maybe you need to check your phone. But I said you had to send me the paper.
Oh, me just here now. What paper is that? What paper?
So me I put it up in another video. Guys, comment with the ideas down below because I'm home and I don't know what to post and I need to finish the Vlogmas successfully. Comment with the ideas, guys. Comment with the ideas, guys. On must say why can't you say wear bucket up because me can't bother comb my ear. Anyways, me not even tell you that. But yeah. So right now we have Tanaya in the building. So guys, you can go and follow her business page at @the_last_central_.
1, 2, 3, 4. You started when you were younger, you were my boo. Na, 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 my boo.
Alright, I did ask you not to sing the next part. I just get like a 8 seconds part, 5 seconds, and you can sing more. You don't know the lyrics. Why you do it?
Why you do it, John Crow? Yeah.
Guys, now we have a bad artist, you know. You don't know Amanda in the building, Amanda in the cut. Guys, go and follow her business page. Forget your nice ears on like the girl bad. The girl bad. Slade by Pebs. Slade _by_ Pebs. Yes, guys. Mega put it down there. You see me? Mega put it down there. Mega put.
Yo, Ital, remember say if you send me the.
Little girl, come go on your bed. You know what I do? I tell your mother to find something gift for you. Go on your bed, little girl.
Come like say your phone now work good or something. Cause me I tell you say if you send me the.
Girl, send you what? Send you what? I don't know what to send you. Send you what? You say send you this what? I don't understand what.
Ital, listen. Me say if you send me the.
Listen for the lyrics, sis, you know.
The way you still on you is alright. I know we haven't seen each other in a while. You'll always be my boo. It started when we were younger. You were my boo. Kiss me teeth, yeah?
I gave you 5 minutes and you took 5 seconds and you took 10. Right? You're not following the instruction. Watch out. Hey, I want to come take this off of my ear, you know.
Starting when we were younger, you were my boo.
At the boo part, I guess you know, at the boo part. But this is actually so nice. When can go in the artist industry, the music industry. Yeah, man. When go on with myself. Oh, guys, I got one more from Cheyenne. Girl, so she
It started when we were young and you were mine, my boo.
Oh my God! Why, Cheyenne?
Oh my God.
Why you do it? Why you do it? Why you do it? Anyways, that's it. I'ma tell this girl to send me something. And she send me 1 second. Let's go again. Comment something Anthony would say. Why you don't shut your mouth? Your level of immaturity.
Why you don't shut your mouth? Why you don't shut your mouth? You really, your level of immaturity is being shown more and more.
What that girl? What is that? That is not evil. A 5 second, me tell everything, you know. 5 seconds, and you saying 1 second out of the 5. No, man. No. Anyways, that's it for this video. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, watch the ads. If you're new, just watch the ads, send your auntie, send your uncle. Comment other video ideas, guys. Comment other video ideas so we can get started. We are out. Remember that again. Oh my god, guys, you're seeing my hair.